wasn't done. Alrighty, welcome back to 3 Idiots in a Griddle. Today, we're going to be making homemade mac and cheese. And then we're going to add a little bit of adult ingredients in there with a little bit of chicken and bacon. I'm really excited for this one. Mac and cheese is up there on my upper echelon of ranking, so I'm super excited for it. Let's get it. Alright, like normal, we're going to go over the ingredients for today's mac and cheese. We've got our chicken, butter, milk, the small shells, half and half, double thick, double smoked bacon, our Colby Jack, and our sharp cheddar. Let's get it.
Hydrate them. Hydrate the grizzle. The drizzle. Ah! Stop!
Not much.
It barely did anything.
Yeah, see, if I would have done it right, you wouldn't have had to worry about this dry ass griddle.
That wasn't.
What?
I don't need all of this.
What you do? Looks better. I really just can't stand that you named this raw dog.
What?
It's so stupid.
Alright, I need you to twerk on camera.
No.
For raw dog.
No,
Do it for the raw dog.
not doing it for the raw dog. I'm not there yet. Just playing with the chicken. I haven't gotten to that point yet. Raw dog! You gotta make sure you delicately rub it in. Make sure it's nice and spread on there.
1 minute.
Raw dog in it.
Raw dog. Raw dog seasoning.
Want to put more on this side? I gotta get it in the creases, you know? Just nice and in there. No crevice left behind. Good?
Yes.
Yeah.
I wish you could hear the sound it was making. Do I have to pour water though?
Not yet. Raw dog.
You're blocking the camera, you stupid.
Am I? Because I don't feel like I am.
Yeah, jackass. Bacon, 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 bacon. Don't season the bacon.
What seasoning are we using?
Raw dog. Can I help you?
Yeah, bacon has such a good flavor on its own. You didn't have to go and raw dog the f out of it.
It's all about raw dog and the out of it. It's not ready to flip.
I'm not flipping it for the last time. I'm trying to make a weave.
No,
What?
do not let it cook. Do not
Not let it cook? Okay, I will not let it
Do
cook.
not fuck with bacon.
Side note, I learned a
Let
really
it
good
cook.
trick with bacon. If you just constantly hit it with hot water, it helps the meat cook at the same time as the fat, so you don't get all weird squigglies and instead stays straight and crisp.
Really?
It's constantly steaming it with water, like in the squeeze.
So
bottle.
we get a little spritz bottle?
No, you need more than that. Almost boiling it, but still frying it because the water's going to evaporate fast enough that all that's going to be left is really bacon grease. Where you're constantly cooling the meat down so that the fat has a chance to fully render before everything starts tearing apart. Yeah, that was a trick I learned the other day.
Interesting.
Stop letting my steam out. Stop touching shit. Put that bacon the f back. Stop.
So you get to flip the bacon when it's not even done right.
I told you, I'm here to disappoint the shit out of you. Can you flip that chicken?
I'm here to disappoint you. Why do these two pieces of bacon look so different than the rest?
Because you were touching them?
Maybe.
What kind of bacon is it?
Double thick, double smoked bacon.
What kind of wood smoke with?
Don't know.
Smoked cedar from the Alpines.
Apple logs and hickory chips.
Alrighty, and this is our finished product right here. Looking nice and juicy. And then of course we've got a fistful of bacon, which I'm really excited about. Alrighty, on to the next step. Alrighty, now we're gonna go ahead and take our nice, thick, juicy chunks of chicken. Toss them in here. Go ahead and push this boy down, lock it. Give it a little turn. And now it is becoming shredded. There it goes. Alright, give it one quick second here. Alright, there we go. I think we're looking pretty shredded. Round 3. Fight! And we are done. In the bowl. And we are done. Perfecto.
Bacon isn't crunchy.
It's not.
No, but it's about to get baked, so it's fine.
No, you don't want to bake it and then bake it again. Then it would be burnt bacon, which is no good bacon. Oh, that looks so good. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and start getting all of our noodles taken care of. That's box 1. Now we go to box 2. I'm assuming I've got to stir these just to wash your noodles before you pour them in. What was it done? You just took away all my glory.
I gotta wait for him to cook.
You wanted a clean sink, you should have done some dishes.
It's so big.
There we go. That is a big there.
That's huge. I feel like salad.
It's for tossing salads.
Don't look at me like that.
Alrighty, on to the next step. Be careful, that's hot with a candle. I don't want it to melt your bag.
No, melt my ass.
What? Okay, Will.
You heard it here.
You heard it, Neil. Will wants his ass melted. Ooh, I want to stir while you do that.
Don't block the shot.
You don't block my shot.
Yeah, because I know where the camera's aiming.
Ooh, it's getting gooey. Nick, this is starting to kind of burn a little bit on the bottom, even though I'm stirring it.
Didn't stir it better.
No, it's not about.
Move.
Dude.
Stir it better.
Okay, bud. I think you have a little too high, but continue. Clippity cloppity clip clop clop.
That's for lactose intolerant stuff.
Are you lactose intolerant?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, your butthole is gonna have fun.
Not to mention that half and half has no lactose intolerant in it.
You mean no lactose?
No lactose intolerant.
Oh my god.
You want to taste the cheese sauce?
I was gonna take the string. Oh. Now that it's gone. Oh, that's pretty good.
It's pretty good. Keep stirring.
Not too much of that.
What is that?
Paprika. Don't make it spicy, Mac. God.
Good bitch boy.
Nobody wants a fucking spicy mac and cheese.
Good bitch boy. What a pussy.
You're a pussy.
Ooh, pasta time.
Oof.
Mix it all up.
Now for the fun part. All the bacon.
Bacon.
All the chicken. The moment when the massive bowl is still not big enough.
I can't wait to pour some cheese in there.
The goop. Look at that. It's like a cauldron of mac.
Like you're a witch, but you only make mac and cheese instead of potions.
Right? Dude, look at this. This is insane. Okay.
Looks so good.
It does look delicious.
Yeah, you actually did a really good job at mixing them.
I am so excited.
Yeah, you're gonna need like 2 of those.
Do you even need to bake it at this point?
Yeah.
Do I need to? No. Are we going to?
Yes. William, settle down, bud. It will be there in 30 minutes. Yeah. Alrighty, so we went ahead and switched the pans because A, the other one was too small, and B, it was not oven safe. So now we are loading up both of these pans before we go ahead and bake it.
That looks so good. Time to put them in the oven. Oh yeah.
Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and pull out this fresh mac and cheese. Ooh, look at that.
Oh. Looks so
Look
good.
at it. Look at it glistening.
Let's get it plated. That looks so good.
Dude, look how gooey it is. Look at that. Alrighty, let's see. This is hot. It's gonna burn a little bit. Oh gosh. The bacon too, like, gives that little crunch. There's so much cheese.
Maybe we did put a lot of cheese in that bowl. Would it be better with ranch? Chicken bacon ranch is usually a thing. I don't like ranch dressing.
That's actually
So,
interesting.
No is me, but I'm asking if you guys like ranch, would it be better with ranch?
I like ranch. That's an interesting concept, actually.
Do you have any? Mm-hmm. You want to try it?
I'll try a little bit. Alright.
Yeah, just put a little bit on your spoon after you have a little bit on there. So it doesn't get on it, just gets
Or just dive in and throw it right in the bowl.
No. Alrighty. Oh, everything's falling apart. If I can get this to come out at any time soon. Okay, there we go. Alright, moment of truth. It's actually kind of good. Like, I don't want to admit it, but it is actually kind of good. But I am going to enjoy this for its original integrity. I think all mac and cheese deserve bacon. All this cheesy goodness.
You know, it's good when you can hear him breathing through his nose because he doesn't want to open his mouth. Yeah.
Big time. That is the honest truth. I'm over here like decompressing so I can continue to eat my mac and cheese. I'm just glad that you understand it. It's like, alright, focus here. Breathe and still eat mac. Must survive. Bro, this is just insanity. I just love it. And all of its gooiness. You know, like the Cobra Whisper? Alright, guys. I'm going to continue playing with my food. Thank you for visiting us at 3 Idiots in a Griddle. We had a lot of fun today. Please like, comment, subscribe. You guys have a wonderful day.